Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to exchange rewards on Bigo Live. So if you have earned some beans on Bigo Live, about $31, then you can be able to exchange rewards and withdraw your money. So let me show you how you can do it. So if you want to do it, the first step today guys is to open your Bigo Live application and then log into your account. After that, click on the me icon at the bottom right corner. Then from here guys, you just have to scroll down a little bit and click on wallet. Right, then after that, if you look at the top, you see these two tabs, the diamonds and the beans. So go ahead and tap on the beans and you see your beans on Bigo. So once you see that, if you have up to $31, like I said earlier, then you can be able to see the exchange rewards option right here. Right now I have 19 beans and it's not equivalent to $31. So for you to see the exchange rewards option, you basically need about 271 beans before you can be able to see the option. Alright, so once you see the option, go ahead and tap on it and withdraw your money from Bigo. So that's how I can do it. So this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.